Hello, my dear students. Hello. How are you? Fine. Welcome back again to our English class of Standard 1. And this is our chapter 5 and video number 3. Video number 3. Now, I told you to go through the chapter. Read the chapter. Have you gone through this chapter? Yes. I know you all have read this chapter. Now, let us recap first, okay? Let us recap this chapter first. Now, what was the main objective of this chapter? What we learned from here? Do you know? Yes, we learned the correct eating habit of some fruits. How we should eat some fruits. Isn't it? Now here in this chapter there is a monkey whose name is, tell me, name is Plum. And Plum, he went to the market one Sunday morning, and in the fruit market, in the fruit shop, he saw many types of fruit, but he don't know how to eat those fruits. He took watermelon and he start eating watermelon with the shell only, with the outer covering, with the rind. If we will eat watermelon like that, it will taste good? No, never. It will never taste good. Again he took coconut. And coconut, you see, coconuts are having such a hard outer covering. And he started biting without removing that covering. Can we bite? Again he was annoyed. And he is saying that, oh, these fruits are not good at all. Lastly, he took bananas. Without peeling the banana, he started eating it. Shall we get any test if we eat like that? Same was happened to him. The bananas were tasteless to him. But one boy whose name was Mohan. Mohan taught him how to eat bananas. Isn't it? He told him first we should peel the banana, then we should eat the inside, that the tasty sweet pulp inside of the banana, that we should we eat. And when he peeled the banana and gave it to Plum, at that time Plum said that, oh, this is very nice. And he was very happy. Isn't it? He was not knowing the correct eating habit of fruits. Some fruits we can eat with the skin, but all fruits we cannot eat with the skin. Suppose apple, cucumber, grapes, these strawberries, these we can eat with the skin. But can we eat orange, banana, coconut, watermelon? Can we eat with the skin? No. So we should learn to eat different types of fruit. Different types of fruits are when we eat different types of fruits, we use different eating habits, isn't it? So in our last class, we have done the reading and explanation of this chapter, and hard words also I have given to you, and I think you all have done the homework. You have written the hard words 3 times, and today we are going to do the word meanings and the word meanings, checkpoints, and question A and B of I understand. Okay, so what you have to do, be ready with your copy and pencil to write the word meanings first. We will write the word meanings first, then we will discuss the answers of the checkpoints and answers of question A and B of I understand. Okay, so hurry up, quickly go and take your copy. Now, Take out your copy. First, put the date 16/7/20. Write your chapter 5. This side, classwork. Plum learns to eat. Word meanings. Always we should write all these descriptions first. Okay? Then only we should start writing. Okay? Take your time. Take your time. Write all these things. Now, number 1. Awful. Awful. What is the meaning of awful? Very bad. Very bad. Rind. Thick outer skin of a fruit. The outer covering of a fruit. That is called rind. Okay? The skin that we never eat. We remove that. That part is called rind. Horrid. Nasty. Very unpleasant. Sometimes something happens that you don't like at all. That is horrid. That is nasty. Okay? Shell. Hard outer covering. Again, shell is the same thing. That hard, very shell, but the shell is hard. It is not soft outer covering. It is hard. Hard outer covering. The coconut shell, you can see that coconut shell. It is very hard. Silly. Silly means foolish. Lack of common sense. When some of your friend talks very foolish things, what do you say? Don't talk foolish. Isn't it? That is silly. Pulp. Soft, fleshy and juicy part of a fruit. The inside part, the inner part of the fruit that is very soft and juicy, that is called pulp. Okay. Peel. Number 7. Peel means remove the skin. When we remove the skin of some fruit or vegetable, we are saying that your mother, every day your mother is peeling that potato now to make curry. That is called peel. So these are the word meanings. You just write all these words. Most of them are in your book, but one or two they are not in your book. So write this in your copy and you will learn this. You will learn these word meanings. Okay. Now let us do this checkpoint questions. Okay. Checkpoint. So take out your book. Take out your book first. Page number 26. Page number 26. Now here write today's date 16/7/20 classwork. Okay. Now here question number 1. On which day did Plum go to the market? See, in the first line it is written, Plum the monkey went to the market one Sunday morning. So which day Plum go to the market? On Sunday. Second one, why did Plum find the coconut horrid? Why did the Plum find the coconut horrid? Because Plum bite the coconut. See here. Because Plum bite the coconut with the outer covering, that hard shell, with the hard shell. They are, see here. Oh dear, isn't good at all. Coconuts are horrid. They are so hard. He took the coconut and he bite the coconut with the shell only. So it was horrid for him. Now come to question number checkpoint 3. What did Mohan do with the banana? What did Mohan do? Mohan peeled that banana. See here. Silly little monkey, I will teach you how to eat a fruit. Peels a banana and gives it to Plum. Mohan peeled that banana and give it to Plum to eat. So what did Mohan do? Mohan peeled the banana. Clear to all? Checkpoint 1, 2, 3. All are completed? Now you will write all this in your copy. Okay? Now come to I understand. I understand question number 8. Fill in the blanks. The lovely big fruit is a what? What is a lovely big fruit? watermelon. Here it is written. Number 2. The dash tasted bad. What tasted bad? What tasted bad? The bananas. See here. Phew, this tastes bad too. The bananas. Because he don't know how to eat banana. He took the banana and without peeling it, he started eating. So naturally it will taste bad, isn't it? We only eat the dash part of a coconut. We only eat the white part of a coconut. White. See here it is written. You must eat only the white part inside. Okay. We dash an orange before eating it. What we do? What we do with orange before eating? We remove the skin. We remove the outer covering of the orange. Outer covering of orange. A coconut shell is very soft or hard. The outer covering, the outer shell of a coconut, it is very soft or hard. It is very hard. The coconut shell is very hard. Okay. Now come to question number B. I understand question number B. Which part of the coconut did the crow tell plum to eat? Which part the coconut told the plum to eat the... Now, question number B. Answer these questions. Which part of the coconut did the crow tell plum to eat? Which part the crow told plum to eat? The white part. The crow tell plum to eat the white part. Okay. Why did the calf laugh at plum? Why did the calf laugh at plum? Because plum ate the watermelon with the rind. With the rind. Isn't it? Now, turn the page number 28. Okay. Who peeled the banana for plum? Who peeled the banana for plum? Mohan. Mohan peeled the banana for plum. What did Mohan say he would teach plum? What did Mohan say he would teach plum? Mohan told that I will teach you how to eat banana. I will teach you how to eat banana. So, it is clear to all. We have done checkpoint 1, 2, 3, word meanings and question number A and B of I understand. Okay, students. So, your homework for today is you have to learn all these word meanings. You have to learn all these word meanings. This is your homework. Okay, this is your homework. So, we have completed up to here. In our next class, we will do some more question answers in this chapter. It is given in this chapter. We will do some more question answers. Okay, students. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.